This is Polaris 12354, and this is my bike check since I haven't done one in like 6 months. Okay, up front I got Demolition open bars. They're Dennis Henderson's signature. ODI long neck grips with Odyssey par ends. I like the par ends because they don't explode when you drop your bike. They last a while. Animal jump off Remix stem flipped upside down for more rise. I got a Mission headset stock. Kink Volt Volt forks. See, Demolition Momentum tire in 2.35. What is it? Alienation PBR front rim waist to a Mission Echo. Mission Echo hub. So you got a G Sport Gland hub guard in the front. Then the frame is the 2012 Kink Whip. Stock, some Kink or Mission seat, it's pivotal, and then some posts, I don't know, Mission seat clamp. I got Mission Transit cranks with Mission PC pedals. I don't know, I haven't seen too many people ride these, but I like them. They last kind of long. Shadow Conspiracy Interlock version 2 chain with a Kink decimal sprocket, and then bottom brackets just Mission. Demolition Momentum 2.35 in the back too, and then it's a Alienation black sheep rim waist to a Mission React back hub with another G Sport hub guard, and it's 2 Demolition team pegs, and that's my bike.